We've got a used dry vault here. This unit here is also 2 years old, traded in, was purchased in December of 2022, traded in January 2024. On here, you see it's got a couple of scratch marks from the exposing unit sitting on top. They traded this in for a double wide, a double tall unit like what we have over here in our classroom. On here, then we'll go on the inside and we'll look and see that very well maintained, nice and clean. We don't have ink or emulsion all over the shelving like some shops occasionally. They don't maintain anything. Nice and clean. The unit looks fabulous. Check it out in our Atlanta warehouse. It's available for pickup or shipping nationwide. If you enjoyed the video, give us a like or share. Thanks for watching.